Eh? Who? Which woman?
This woman I was sitting down here.
With her daughter?
Yes.
Hey.
She said I should give it to you.
Bring it out, let me see.
This is Bama and Carol.
Hey. This is what she sells.
Jesus, this is heavy.
The way can you do? The way now. Hey. Oh no.
One cabbage.
Now wow. Afọ ha mana mgbe ahụ mbata onwe ndị na-eche m sị ka m bịagodi. Olololo. Now wow. No be small something. Toy godi. Ama m na-eche bataga. Ama m nọ nke a izi na agata. N'ọgbọ. Ama m onye afọ m ha nyaahụ. Beto mgbe ahụ onwe ndị na-eche m. You have not shown your fans your result, you. Oh, you're good. We'll talk about it later, not now. Kill it. Oh, you're good. So you didn't know why? Yeah, quite all through. Mana meji hanya afu B na C na D na person cause F. So madam, everything is wete gi jipa isi.
Okay, here we go that in before ndokwara. Achogo me use here. So we use it.
Ije we say ma no mo nne gi ma akpa isi.
Auntie, ha kpa isi. Ọ na-adapụ nke
Onye
ha
kwu?
nke obere isi adapụchago. Like ukwu ene esi ike.
From ebe isi amfu mbose.
Na.
I mean kpota ha. Na waste gi iya mo ki esi we na spend ego. Ego ne ka nya gi for Christmas.
50,000.
50,000. You spend the child. You mecha je welukwa ego ikwesi dowe for yourself. We je kpa isi ina akpa isi Christmas. Ma no mo nne gi ma akpa isi.
Auntie, ha kpa isi ukwu ene esi.
Asị ka ọ ọkwụsị ahụ m fụrụ. Ọ hisi ahụ m fụrụ. Ka ọzọ.
Auntie, ha ya beta ati cheke.
Onwe ike cheke afụ m that hair. That hair is good. Ụmụazị amụ akpa isi. Mana ị prefer tọye ka mfu. Ego dị ka spend n'isi na.
35.
With attachment n'ihe niile.
Mba attachment enwebu ma ego tem attachment.
Mana ego ka eji gị tọnụ azụ. N'ogodo kọlọ o yuzu wee kpa isi. Nwa mgbe orie. Auntie Gray is making salad. Gịnị bụ ha? Cucumber. I bechafụla azụ ya complete. Hey, a na-ahapụta obere green ya na. Enwe ka esi abachi ya in stripe. Ọ bachafụcha ha nche niile. Hey. Nzube ka ị kara isi gaa di nwa. Eh?
The back was very rough.
Okay.
And the back is bitter, yes.
Okay. Makes sense. Nwa ma ihe. Nzube. There's one guy that is on Nzube's neck. Nzube doesn't want to marry. The guy is begging. Or begging can beg by force can. Nzube's wife material now 1 million yards. They rush him like a karoko.
You need to marry too. God forbid. Not now.
Not now. When will you marry?
When I finish.
When you finish school. Mama here. Or finish school. Or lobolo. Lotabe go before she marries. That's the best way. But Nzube, what is your own reason? You have finished, you have graduated. I know you haven't started work, but but why are you vehemently refusing to marry this guy? He doesn't have money. He has money. So what's your problem? He's not a nice person.
He's short.
Is he short? Chica. So that if we want to recommend somebody else for you, we know what you don't like. What are your deal breakers?
Let me help you with
So okay, honey, Mekalicha. You're not compatible. Hey, oh. Uneje ebe kunu je ije we man una do compatible. Kunu.
You two they fight.
Oh.
You see, that's good. If you people are always fighting, that's a good point, because everything you cannot bear, you cannot condone when you're still single, when you're not yet married. That thing will magnify in marriage. So it's good. Unless by divine intervention, but that divine intervention, promise. We don't work on based on that. We work on based on what we see. Okay? So good girl. Stand your ground. Don't let anybody, because I know I've heard family meetings that they are calling on top of your head.
She's not a good girl.
WhatsApp call. They're doing WhatsApp call on top of her head. WhatsApp conference call on top of her head.
Ew.
Anti-grace.
Just even red flag, red canopy.
Hey, I want more. You see my girls. You see the girls I'm mentoring. Yeah, they know what's up. You gotta go. If there's any red flag, better carry that flag through away. They're calling family meeting on top of her head that she should accept the guy. What is that? What you cannot condone now that you're doing fiance. You shouldn't take it to the next level, because it's gonna get worse. It's gonna get worse. Hardly with somebody. If you don't agree with somebody, you're always arguing with that person. So I don't even know why the guy is stressing the girl. First of all, you people should work on the argument first. When you stop arguing for a long time, or not emergency stopping. Not emergency stoppage. So it's begin next I carry rule.
You don't need to conclude in
Anything.
He's always his own.
His own. You see.
And
No.
he gets angry.
Oh, marriage is for two people. There must be a middle ground. It's called a union for a reason. It's not one person that is smart in the relationship. If it's always his own, he can't be always right now. Joy, come and show me your hair. So where did you people find money again? I thought you people say you don't have money. She's covering her face, this girl. I thought you live in Lagos. So all these village girls will be covering their faces, and you too will be covering your face. You that was born and bred in Lagos.
Is it vlogging?
Is it now?
My face is not looking.
There's nothing like that. This is early morning. Whose face is looking good, Kwan?
Guys, my face is not looking fine.
Giant baby. I remove. Let me see. Hey, it's still painful, no? All this color that you people are doing. Hey, what is this one called? Gold. Olololo.
Guys, this is the hair I made.
How much did they charge you for this one? With the attachment?
No, I bought the attachment.
Since in Bia Diaba, we never had a dume junior. So, Subo come. Chalo, can I walk a tap? Can I not? Ubo. So, any the miga name for na unyo, Hana Bagabem. Atago. How long are you away? So 10 minutes with machine. I need the as crowd. They do come as a gen have food the thing now. I need hey, man, I hear genuine kanako. Oh, when I hear, okay, one kita.
But if you get back now, do I 2 sit at home now? You get back, my get uncle, half uncle. In fact, you about now, much you never.
Now, wow.
I let go.
Tata Ukuka. Just for fun.
some guy kpata nkụ lọpụta ga ebusara nkụ a makwa olu
ndị bụ nkụ nwere ike ịhụ ka ma onye vu ka nwa ngala
na-eji na ga
just for fun ha na beach ndị ụmụnze
ọ gwara aga alụ ụda alụla mgbede
ị na-anụkwa nwa bụ obere to go I need to know my surroundings. This is all the type of thing you guys know now, how we went to Owerezugala. No, this is kind of thing I like. Nature, this is kind of thing I like to do, but these days they tell you don't go here, don't get here, they will kidnap you, they will do this, they will do that. Akara bubbles.
a na-eti m nwa bọbọ
Rebecca etiri mmọnwụ ndị ụmụnza na-eti mmọnwụ.
ndị blọk atiri m yesterday
Hey,
nne nwa na-efuru ụnyaahụ ọ na nke obere
masquerade. So why you put her mmọnwụ ebe a ka ifo mmọnwụ ma
nke afọ last 2 years batara ọ furu ụnyaahụ
ikwesị dị ihe ihe na-eme arrange ma anyị nata kpọta
ọ
mmọnwụ
dịkwa let chọrọ ama amekụlụ ọnụ m na ejika ntata
kpọta ha ọnya bụ na a na-agba Christmas. Ụmụnze na-adịbe ọrịa na ọ bụla agụlụ kịta. If it were my hometown agụlụ, everywhere will be bubbling. You want to go to Agulu Lake? Blood, promise without pay. Every day he will bring masquerade. He will take us to the stream for where story.
ya gba aha ego na ọ zụrụ 10 million too.
ọ nyere ọ bara
10 million to ole ego no?
Awa na amekwa 30 million naira.
Olebehe. In case you don't know, Blood is a land agent, so trust him to come and sell his market. He won't bring masquerade for us, so he just wants to sell land. He's here calling million for land.
I can't get to Palala Maro. I told them Malu, Allah, Ben Maro, just all here will anything if I to agree.
They are the reason why the cost of land is rising every day in this village.
7 million.
Nah. The amount of money that they call for land in this Umunze is a small piece of land here that is not up to 1 plot. 7 million in Umunze. In Umunze. Inside village, not on the road. And the car erosion that will now also all the Kuna town more than ever. And it's time to go. We just threw our Ngwongo into our Ghana must go bags. I think this one should be Spain must go because the way we push. And off we go. We had to leave the village, Ozbo. As always, when we leave the village, not everyone that came back with us needs to go back to Lagos at that time. There are still some events taking place in the village. At least in Anambra State, I know that you can't do any events between the 15th of December till the 4th of January, unless by concession. So most of the events that were not done during Christmas, this is when they are starting. So some people are even coming back. So we usually don't hire a bus when going back to Lagos because there's no need for that. This is Benin Bypass. You see this Benin Bypass? Very soon it will become impassable. The Federal Ministry of Works is pretending that it cannot see this road deteriorating. Is it even deteriorating? It has deteriorated. God knows what travelers will suffer here during the upcoming rainy season. It was mostly a smooth journey. The road is free because it's still quite early in the year. And no checkpoints in this direction. You know why? If you know why, let me know in the comments. Before you know it, we were in Ore. I told you guys that Ore no they run away. If you don't stop in one direction, you will stop in another direction. Better thing no they finish, so don't sweat it. See the Ore now, make una come chop Ore, come and chop chin chin, odara, suya. Yeah, I know it's that suya that you people want to come and chop here. Come and eat it. We left Ore, and before you know it, we had a burst tire. It was a good thing that we were still within the busy parts of Ore, so our driver had not really sped up. Before you know it, at least 5 GO buses stopped to help our driver. You can see too in this frame, there were others further down the road. One brother told me in the other video that a GO bus driver disappeared on them when they had issues. GO, make una take una time oh. I can't be here saying good things about you guys all the time, but you are annoying other people. Make it 100% occur. Before long, we were on our way again. By 4 p.m, we were already in Lagos. Yes, whenever you're going to Lagos, it's quicker. Yeah, for all the reasons you guys know already. Let me know in the comments.